compost and less of red soil. Yes, I think that's it. I'm just making one more to show you all watermelon seeds. I don't know if you all can see it, but yeah, right now in case of watermelon seeds, since they are very small, I will at least put 5 of them in one seed ball. Now all of this comes by judgment and practice. There is no thumb rule. You decide based on how much space you have in your seed ball, how many seeds you can accommodate, but definitely ensure that you do not add more than one seed, especially in case of big seeds. You can take a call based on the size of your seed balls that no 2 seeds should be placed next to each other. This is one thing that you have to ensure at all times. And yes, that's it. Your seed balls are ready. Any questions regarding the making process? About adding how much with respect to the water, right? You add only as much water as you think you would need to make the dough, to get the correct consistency in the dough. Again, there is no thumb rule. You can add more or less depending on what kind of soil you're procuring, what kind of compost you're getting. So there's no thumb rule here. Based on whatever consistency you get as you add water, you can take a call. All right.